Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect YouTube in N8N. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube account with N8N so you can automate tasks like creating playlists or managing content. So in order to connect YouTube with N8N workflow, you have to follow these steps. First, open your N8N dashboard and create a new workflow. Add a trigger node like manual trigger to start the workflow. Then add another node and search for YouTube. Select any function you want, for example, create playlist. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account. Click on credentials and create a new one. This will require setting up access through the Google Cloud Console. Open a new tab and type console.cloud.google.com and it will take you to this page. Inside the console, create a new project or select an existing one. Simply click on select project, then choose create new project. Enter any name you want for your project, and once you're done, click on create project. After your project is successfully created, go back to select project again, and this time just select the project you've created to continue. Once your project is selected, go to these three lines menu and then go to APIs and services. Then select enable APIs. Once you are here, go to the left menu and open the OAuth consent screen and configure it. After that, click on this create OAuth client credentials and you will be on this page. Here, first choose web application as the type. Now if you scroll down, you'll find the authorized redirect URL option. Simply click on it. Now, go back to N8N and copy the redirect URL provided. Paste that into the authorized redirect URIs section in the Google Cloud setup. Once done, create the credentials and wait for a bit. Now copy the client ID and then go back and paste this back into N8N. Now, as you can see, it's asking for the client secret. What you need to do is go back to the Google console. Once you're there, open your client and on the right side, you'll find the client secret. Go ahead and copy it, then return to N8N and paste it into the required field. After pasting it, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Before signing in, make sure to add your email as a test user in the OAuth consent screen settings. To do this, go back to the Google Cloud Console and from the left-hand menu, click on the Audience tab. Here you'll find an Add User option under Test User tab. Click on it, then enter the email address you used to sign up for your N8N account. Once you've added your email, simply click on the Save button to apply the changes. Then return to N8N, sign in with your Google account and grant all permissions. You might see a not verified warning. Just proceed if everything looks correct. Once your account is connected, finally go back to the Google Cloud Console and search for YouTube here. You will see many search results, but select YouTube Data API option. Here, just enable the YouTube Data API. This step is important because it allows N8N to actually interact with your YouTube account. Once everything is set up, head back to N8N and you'll see that your account is connected. Now you can automate tasks like creating playlists, uploading videos, or managing your channel directly through your workflow. And that's it. This is how you can connect YouTube in N8N. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.